Well, it's Cartman Productions, and today we will be replacing the charging port on a hoverboard, kind of like this one, only red. There's a video that explains this ahead. Let's get going. So there's just a little plug in there that you can use to get that the charging port is hooked into. There's a little plug that the charging port plugs into, and it just kind of goes into this case right here. It's not super complicated. There's a video that explains this a heck of a lot better than I do, but it's super easy, super simple. I'll see if I can find it. I'll link it in the description if I can find it. Next time on Cartman Productions. Stuff too, so let's get into it. Old man on a pit bike.